Today we're smoking with Oklahoma Joe's all new Tahoma 900 auto feed smoker. So I've got 9 pounds of charcoal here in this bucket, and it should be more than enough to do that. That's all it takes to get her started. Let's get to that meat drop. So grab you some cream cheese, banana peppers, green onions, red pepper flakes. Hit it with some seasoning. Now stir it up. I just snuck one in on you. Now Oklahoma Joe's has their very own seasoning, and I'm going with the Carolina barbecue rub today. I got some onions here I want to put on top. Check out this awesome workstation. Got all the tools of the trade. This makes life so much easier. That's what I'm talking about.